everybody, and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. What we have going on today is a drink that is from the 1800s. It originally came from the 1800s. It is called the Tuxedo No. 2. And there is a Tuxedo No. 1, or just Tuxedo, right? But this one became more popular. The original Tuxedo was comprised of gin, sherry, and orange bitters. So this still has some of the same elements, but a few other twists, right? So first things first, we're going to start off with 2 1/4 ounces of some Plymouth Gin, right? The original recipe more than likely used Old Tom's, but this is the more of the modern variation. This is a more sweeter gin. So 2 1/4 ounces of gin. Next, we're going to go just a half an ounce of some Blanc Vermouth. Just a half an ounce. Next, we're going to go 1/4 ounce of the Maraschino liqueur. 1/4 ounce. And then we're going to go 4 dashes of orange bitters. 1, 2, 3, 4-ish. Give it a gentleman's swirl. Now add some ice. We're just getting it to chill and mix well. Next, we're going to get a coupe glass, and we're going to, you can rinse it with some absinthe, or what I found is some technique I learned from someplace else is get a spray bottle. Instead of rinsing it, just give it a couple of sprays, right? That's easier than rinsing it with some absinthe, right? We're going to just either rinse it and then pour out the excess, or do like I do and get a spray bottle and cheat. So much easier. And there you have it, a Tuxedo No. 2. Cheers. That gin, I get why to use it because it's a really good gin. The Plymouth Gin, this is actually really, really good. Now I got to figure out how to make a Tuxedo No. 1, I guess. Anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time. Cheers.